If you're tired of air fryers that promise crispy food but leave you with soggy fries, uneven cooking, or baskets that are somehow impossible to clean, you're definitely not the only one. A lot of air fryers look great in ads, but once you actually use them every day, the experience can get frustrating pretty quickly. That's why the Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer 7-in-1 caught my attention. This is Chefman's newer premium-style air fryer designed for people who want faster cooking, quieter performance, and more versatility without jumping into the ultra-expensive category. It combines a large 8-quart capacity with 7 cooking modes, a ceramic-coated basket, and something called TurboFry Pro Technology that's supposed to cook food faster and more evenly. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design feels more modern than a lot of air fryers in this price range. It has a low-profile shape that doesn't dominate your countertop, and the viewing window is honestly more useful than I expected. Being able to check on your food without constantly opening the basket helps maintain temperature and keeps cooking more consistent. The interior light also makes it surprisingly easy to monitor how things are crisping up. The controls are simple and intuitive instead of overly complicated. Some air fryers try to cram in too many presets and touch controls that become annoying over time. Here, the dial system feels responsive and straightforward. It's the kind of appliance you can figure out in minutes without constantly checking the manual. The basket itself feels sturdy, and the ceramic coating gives it a smoother, more premium feel compared to standard non-stick interiors. In actual cooking performance, this thing is genuinely impressive. Frozen fries cooked noticeably faster than in several older air fryers I've tested, and the crispiness was more even across the basket. Chicken wings came out with crispy skin without drying out the inside, and reheating leftovers worked surprisingly well without making the food rubbery. The higher 450-degree maximum temperature definitely helps here because it gives food a more roasted texture instead of just heating it quickly. Another thing I appreciated was the noise level. A lot of large air fryers sound like mini hair dryers running on your kitchen counter, but this one stays relatively quiet even at higher fan speeds. The automatic shake reminders are also useful without feeling intrusive. They're small features, but they make everyday cooking easier, especially if you're multitasking during dinner prep. Cleaning is one area where this air fryer really works in its favor. The nonstick ceramic-coated basket releases food easily, and because it's dishwasher safe, cleanup takes almost no effort after most meals. That alone makes a huge difference if you use an air fryer regularly. Nobody wants to scrub grease off a basket every night. Of course, it's not perfect. The large basket size is great for families, but if you live alone or only cook small portions, it may feel bigger than necessary. Also, while the viewing window is useful, fingerprints show up pretty quickly on the exterior finish. And compared to ultra-budget air fryers, this one does cost a bit more, although you're getting noticeably better performance and build quality. Compared to competitors like the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL or Cosori Pro models, the Chefman Crispinator stands out mainly for speed, quieter operation, and ease of use. Some competitors have more app features or smart connectivity, but this feels more focused on practical, everyday cooking performance instead of gimmicks. Overall, the Chefman Crispinator feels like an air fryer designed by people who actually use air fryers daily. It's fast, easy to clean, simple to operate, and consistently delivers crispy results without much effort. If you cook for a family, meal prep often, or just want a reliable air fryer that doesn't feel cheap, this is definitely one worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget reviews, and check the product link in the description if you want to learn more about the Chefman Crispinator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.